Someone looks at you and says, "So, tell me about yourself." And suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You know English, you studied English, but in that moment, nothing comes out.
If that happens to you, this episode is going to change that. Today, we give you a simple, clear personal script, step by step. So next time someone asks, you are ready, calm, confident, and clear.
We speak in clear, simple English here, perfect for intermediate learners. And whenever we use a harder word, we explain it straight away. So just relax and enjoy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Leo podcast. I'm Leo.
And I'm Belle. So happy you're here with us today. Whether you're on the bus, doing the dishes, or lying on your sofa, welcome. You're in the right place.
So, Belle, quick question before we start. Have you ever had a moment where someone asked you to introduce yourself and your brain just stopped?
Oh, wow. Yes, 100%. I remember my first day at a new job. My manager said, "Belle, why don't you introduce yourself to the team?" And I had maybe 15 people looking at me.
Ouch, that's a lot of eyes.
So many eyes! And in my head, I had too many thoughts at the same time. My name, my job, where I'm from, my hobbies, everything came at once like a big noisy cloud, and nothing came out clearly.
Ah, the noisy cloud. I know that feeling.
What about you, Leo? Do you have a story like that?
Yes, I was at a language exchange, where people sit in a circle and everyone introduces themselves. And my turn was coming like a slow train. I kept repeating in my head, "My name is Leo. I'm from..." And then when everyone looked at me, I said, "Hi, I'm Leo. I like coffee."
That's it? Just coffee?
Just coffee. I had nothing else. The whole room waited, and I gave them coffee.
Well, at least nobody can argue with coffee.
True. But after that, I thought, I need a simple, clear script in my head. Something I can say even when I'm nervous. And that is exactly what we're going to build together today.
Yes! And before we start, a small favor. If you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe and share it with one friend who is learning English. And stay until the end because we have a special challenge for you in the comments today.
Okay, let's build your personal script.
So, Leo, let's talk about why this skill is so important first. Because some people think, oh, introducing myself is easy. But is it really?
It sounds easy. But the truth is, this skill comes up everywhere. And I mean everywhere. When you meet a new classmate, a new colleague, a neighbor, someone at an event, the first thing they say is, "Tell me about yourself."
And not only in casual life, also in job interviews, language classes, travel, online meetings, everywhere needs an introduction.
Exactly. And the problem is not that people don't know English. The problem is they don't have a clear, simple structure in their head. So when the moment comes, their thoughts jump everywhere.
Like my noisy cloud moment.
Exactly like that. So what we want to give you today is a structure, like a small map of your introduction. When you know your map, you feel calmer. Even when you're nervous, you know where to go.
Your introduction is like a short movie about you. And today, we write the script together.
Okay, before we build the script, one important thing. Not all introductions are the same. There are 3 different situations, and each one needs a slightly different style.
Right. Situation 1. Informal. This is when you're relaxed. With friends, classmates, someone you meet at a cafe or a party. Nobody expects anything serious.
Situation 2. Semi-formal. This is friendly, but also a little professional. A work event, a meetup, a conference. People smile and joke, but you still want to sound polite.
And situation 3. Formal. A job interview, a meeting with a manager, an official presentation. Your words are more careful and polite.
So the rule is simple. Feel the room first, then choose your style.
For example, if you're sitting on a sofa with a new friend, you probably won't say, "Good afternoon, it is a pleasure to make your acquaintance."
Please don't. And in a job interview, "Hey, what's up?" is maybe not the best start either.
Save that for your friends. So, Feel the room, then speak. Okay, now let's build your script. We'll go part by part, and for each part we give you options, so you can choose what fits you best.
Part 1. The greeting, the very first words.
For formal situations, good morning, good afternoon. Hello, thank you for having me.
For semi-formal, hi there. Hey, nice to meet you.
For informal, hi, hey, hey there.
And one tip. Pick the greeting that feels natural for you, not the one that sounds coolest. If you never say, yo, what's up, in your own language, don't start with it in English.
Yes, I tried a very casual greeting once with a student, and they looked at me like, Belle, are you okay?
So, natural is always better than cool. Part 2. Your name.
Very simple options here. I'm Belle. My name is Belle. Hi, I'm Belle. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Belle. It's a pleasure to meet you.
And you don't have to be Belle. Please don't all be Belle.
Yes, just replace Belle with your own name. Part 3. Where you're from and where you live.
Simple version. I'm from Egypt. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
With city. I'm from Cairo in Egypt. I'm from Sao Paulo in Brazil. I'm from Osaka in Japan.
And if where you're from and where you live are different, I'm originally from Egypt, but I live in Dubai now. I was born in Poland, but I've been living in Berlin for 3 years.
Or, if you want to keep it super simple, I'm from Egypt. I live in Cairo. That's already perfect. The other person gets a small friendly map of your life.
Part 4. Your job or studies.
I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as an engineer. I work for a tech company in the marketing department.
Or, if you prefer to keep it general, I work in education. I work in sales. I work in healthcare.
And if you're studying, I'm a student. I study computer science. I'm studying business at university.
While you listen, think. Which sentence is closest to your life? Try to make your own version in your head.
Part 5. Your family and home.
I live with my parents. I live with my husband and 2 kids. I live alone in a small apartment. I share a flat with a friend.
And for brothers and sisters, I have 1 older brother. I have 2 younger sisters. I'm an only child, which means no brothers or sisters.
Ah, I'm an only child. That's a useful phrase. Easy to remember.
Part 6. Hobbies and free time.
In my free time, I like reading. I'm really into music. I love cooking. I'm a big fan of football.
And you can combine, in my free time, I like watching movies and going for long walks. Or add something you don't like. I love coffee, but I really don't like waking up early.
That last one is very relatable.
Very. Little details like that make your introduction feel human, not just a list of facts.
Part 7. Your personality.
I'm friendly and curious. I'm a bit shy at first, but I get more talkative when I feel comfortable. I'm usually calm and patient. People say I'm easy to talk to.
Using people say I'm is a great trick. It sounds natural and confident without sounding arrogant.
And Part 8, your future plans or goals.
In the future, I'd like to travel more. My goal is to speak English more confidently. One of my dreams is to start my own business. I'm learning English because I want to work internationally.
Just one honest sentence. You don't need a full life plan, just your direction.
Okay, word corner time. Let's look at some important words from today.
Yes. Nice and slow. No rush.
First, introduce. To introduce yourself means to tell someone who you are for the first time. For example, let me introduce myself. I'm Leo. Or, the teacher asked everyone to introduce themselves.
Next, formal and informal. Formal means serious and official, like a job interview. Informal means relaxed and casual, like talking with a friend. For example, a job interview is a formal situation. Or, a coffee with a friend is informal.
Next, personality. Your personality is the type of person you are, how you think, feel, and behave. For example, her personality is very warm and friendly. Or, I have a calm personality, but I get excited about things I love.
And originally. Originally means where something or someone came from at the beginning. For example, I'm originally from Egypt, but I live in London now. Or, this word is originally from French. It's a beautiful word that shows your story has more than one chapter.
Ah, I love that. Your story has more than one chapter.
And last word, confident. Confident means you feel sure about yourself and what you are doing. For example, she introduced herself in a confident and clear way. Or, I want to feel more confident when I speak English. Remember, listeners, confidence doesn't mean perfect. It means clear and calm.
Confident doesn't mean perfect, just clear and calm. Rewind this section anytime and listen again. And try to make one sentence with one of these words, even in your head.
Okay, now let's put everything together. We'll share our own full introductions so you can hear how all the pieces sound together.
I'll go first. Short version first, then the full one. Short version. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm from Italy and I live in London. I work as an English podcast host. In my free time, I love cooking and watching football.
Clear, warm, easy. Now the full version.
Full version. Hello, my name is Leo. I'm originally from a small town in Italy, but I've been living in London for about 4 years now. I work as an English podcast host. I create content to help people speak English with more confidence. I live in a small flat in the city, just me and a very judgmental cat. In my free time, I love cooking Italian food, badly, and watching football. I'm also really into podcasts, obviously. I'm usually a calm person, but I get very talkative when someone mentions food or travel. In the future, my goal is to build a podcast community where English learners from all over the world feel less alone on their language journey.
Oh, wow. I love that. Especially the judgmental cat.
He's real and very critical. Belle, your turn.
Short version. Hi, I'm Belle. I'm from France and I live in Barcelona. I work in online education and I love hiking and photography. Full version. Hello, my name is Belle. I'm originally from Lyon in France, but I've been living in Barcelona for 2 years. And honestly, I never want to leave. I work in online education. I create English learning content and I work with students from many different countries. I live with a friend from university in a sunny apartment. I have one older brother who still lives in France. In my free time, I'm really into hiking and photography. I love finding beautiful places and taking pictures. I'm a bit of a morning person, which surprises people. I'm usually quiet at first, but once I feel comfortable, I talk a lot. In the future, my dream is to travel and work from different countries. English is making that possible.
I really felt like I knew you better after that.
That's the goal. Now you try. Take just a few of these parts, not all of them, and build your version.
Let's quickly recap what we built today.
Your introduction has 8 possible parts, and you don't need all of them every time. Just choose the ones that fit the moment.
Part 1, greeting. Part 2, your name. Part 3, where you're from and where you live. Part 4, your job or studies. Part 5, your family and home. Part 6, hobbies and free time. Part 7, your personality. Part 8, your future plans.
Mix and match depending on the situation. Informal, semi-formal, or formal.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear, honest sentences that you can say even when you feel a little nervous.
Okay, here is your challenge for today. And this one is really special.
Go to the comments right now and write your own short introduction in English. Use this simple structure.
Hi, my name is blank. I'm from blank and I live in blank. I work as / I study blank. In my free time, I love blank. One of my goals is blank.
That's it. 5 sentences. Fill in your information. Write it in the comments.
And here is why this matters so much. When you write your introduction, even in the comments, something real happens in your brain. You stop just thinking about introducing yourself. You actually do it. In English, right now.
And other learners will read your comment. They'll see someone from a different country with a different life making the same effort. And they'll feel less alone.
Your 5 sentences might be the push someone else needs to write theirs.
So go to the comments. Introduce yourself. Let's meet each other. We read every single comment, and we are genuinely proud of every person who writes.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with one friend who wants to feel more confident introducing themselves in English.
This was English with Leo podcast. I'm Leo.
And I'm Belle. Take care, be confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Go introduce yourself.